In this video, we'll talk about the new Premium Imagery service. From the Field Home section, Premium users can now enroll any field to receive NDVI imagery. Select the Premium Imagery enrollment tile to set an enrollment date and enroll the current field. The Premium Imagery enrollment tile will now show that your field has been enrolled. Let's switch over to the Activities section and select the Imagery tab. Enrollment and enrollment status can also be viewed from this area. The Premium Imagery service will deliver Sentinel imagery at 10 meters resolution and Landsat imagery at 30 meters resolution. Imagery will be delivered within the first 48 hours of enrollment, and at least one image will be delivered per week. After selecting a premium image for the first time, you will be asked to accept or reject the image. Check for cloud cover and make sure that it meets your expectations before accepting it. Select options to see all of the added value of enrolling fields in the Premium Imagery service. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.